Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're gonna talk about an essential topic. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword, it's shaping the way we work, learn and communicate. One of the most exciting tools out of which is ChatGPT. It's not just limited to one function. It's like Swiss Army knife for productivity. Need to draft a professional email? No problem. Stuck on coding syntax? It can help you debug or even write entire functions. Planning a trip? It will suggest itineraries, budget plans, and even packing lists. It works as a copywriter, coder, tutor, or even a travel agent. Pretty impressive for one tool, right? We all have been there, staring at the screen, struggling to meet deadlines. With ChatGPT, routine tasks become effortless. Need to summarize 10-page document in minutes? ChatGPT can handle that. Struggling to find the right words for a pitch? It will give you multiple suggestions to choose from. By automating difficult tasks like research, summaries, or idea generation, ChatGPT helps you focus on what really matters, making you more productive. Creativity is one of the most fun ways to use ChatGPT. Sometimes when you're brainstorming or writing, you just need a fresh perspective. Writing a story but stuck on plot. ChatGPT can suggest plot twists you might not have thought of. It can help you brainstorm new ideas for your business, campaigns, or content. And if you need some poetic inspiration, it can wipe up your lyrics or poems in any style you want. Whether you are working on passion project or trying to solve a creative block, ChatGPT helps unlock ideas you didn't know you had. Ever wanted a tutor who's available 24/7 and doesn't judge you for asking too many questions? That's exactly what ChatGPT offers. Struggling with math, coding, or science? It can break down complex concepts into simple explanations. Learning a new language, or you can practice conversations, correct grammar, or even learn pronunciation tips. Whether you are a student, a professional, or a lifelong learner, ChatGPT makes knowledge accessible in ways that are easy to understand. Sometimes all you need is just help making decisions, whether it's comparing gadgets, figuring out the best subscription service, or planning a budget. ChatGPT can quickly lay out pros and cons so you can make informed decisions faster. It's like having a trusted friend who knows a little bit about everything. ChatGPT is designed to be super accessible whether you are at your desk or on the go. It works smoothly across devices so you can use it on your phone during your commute, your tablet in a cafe, or your computer at home. This flexibility means you are never far away from a quick answer or a bit of creative inspiration. And don't worry, OpenAI, the team behind ChatGPT, is constantly working to ensure safe and responsible AI interactions. While ChatGPT is great for brainstorming and problem solving, remember that it's a tool, not a replacement for a human expertise. It's always good to double check critical information. So whether you are aiming to be more productive, unleash your creativity, learn something new, or just make life easier, ChatGPT can be a game changer. AI is no longer some far-off futuristic technology. It's here, it's accessible, and it's ready to help you with your daily challenges. If you want to know about AI detectors, AI content generation, and how to bypass AI detectors, link is given in description. Enroll now and join with Botpanels to be updated in the digital world of AI text generation. Meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you.